go on. There one. You think of one?
Yeah, man, everything good.
A whale boy one. Say a whale boy, innit?
Okay, sir.
Tiny grandson, man, I throw my mask up right now. I did. There, they are easy. I go get some food and fall. No, she don't play. Hey, my parents didn't there yesterday, but he gone back. Yeah. Yeah, yesterday he called.
Oh, this is the phone.
Yeah.
Go check him, man.
Can't check him, man. My dad's let's go blink.
Alright.
I did. There. I'm soon found. So far, I got some girl and come back. Daddy.
Someone fly go along with no way, Jordan. The whole of my family farm.
Jordan. Where are they, so? Where I go?
Around and send them with that one, brother.
I go on and forward. I pick up key back and go in the lane. So I go to the madras.
I know yes, around so you go.
Which one?
Around some madras, you know.
No, I'm go to the madras already. I go and push madras.
CJ, I go.
Yeah. I found. Some food, forward. Put in juice.
Say it again?
Put in juice, now get some food. Money for you?
Little bit, yeah.
Like how much? 500?
5,000.
Very good. No, come for your
I'm
punishment.
putting in the stuff.
Oh. Sorry. You put on it the way I try the one day.
Your sister said to call her.
Alright. And that was now.
Okay. Want a rice and peas, fried chicken, curry gravy.
Alright. Very some peas.
You can't pack it yourself?
No, I still put it. We can't put it on the front, so?
No, you can't pack it.
No, I do. You're right, so I back it up.
No.
What now? Good.
Pack it up.
Yes, sir? Oh. Alright, where's your?
Rice and peas, fried chicken, curry gravy. From
Burst?
curry chicken. Yep.
How you put it door? How you put it? You put your hand through yourself. Come on, this one.
Got food?
Yes, you can.
Can I get the right? Curry gravy?
Poke it down through there.
Give me stew. Stew gravy. Give me the first part.
Grab that.
$9. Much you have fun? Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did. You still not alright? Give me $5. But there some food me come get her real quick and I jump through Shivan Lane. I'm not do video though.
Anybody wants to spend me like $500 We'll take a whole 5,000 for this.
Give me a half thousand.
No.
Give me 5. People are not money enough change. Give me 10.
Alright.
No, I'm gonna give you 7.
What's on one for me and one for the day, sure.
What should I get some? Bread.
Is it called small box?
Oh, yeah.
Look good though. I'm ready to go. Eat it to my yard. Look good though. Smell nice.
There it is. Yeah, go hold it.
I don't really wish this to have more like a chill spot. You know what time you come on the road and you like look over that little hillside? I wish we could have like stopped
No,
this
it's
and
fire
look
top.
over the hill like.
No, you're top. Let's come and stand with the bike.
1 second.
Put in the phone in your pocket, you have to hold it.
I can do both. Trust me, I don't believe in that.
You trust me.
You don't trust me?
Hmm? Yes, I need to. Copy. Wait.
Marty, off my next.
Jump on. free. The curse. I did.
Bad, bro.
No, they are easy though.
I mean, man.
They are easy. I did tenser.
Yeah, man.
See a bite.
No, I might you know, blow off the machine and give me
Cool, man, make it cool. Me fall back out later there. Just bring her and get her food.
Yeah, fuck. Yo, you know, come back.
No, man, come back, I do.
Look for you last night.
No side the tooth, no dark man. Eh? Eh? The man I know did them man, that's why. Look kind of so. You see a bite?
Oh, engine, why you buy for me?
Get an engine.
On cheese. 6
So what do you have an engine? Have a bike?
Mm.
And pass 6 bills. The engine do you want to work on though? You don't them sell it already though. No, we can get more money. If you send the money I buy one. No, me depends. Maybe we'll have to buy a whole bike itself. Like a cheap one.
Cheaper.
Yeah, you can get something do like a fresh one. No, it's not $1.50 man. Depends on all 8 bills.
Yeah, bills. You know
Yes.
a lot of deer white, brother.
No, I get one there. See how I did. Fear bite this.
No, that's such a bike.
So here bite.
I'm seeing $1,000 there.
Here bite.
Eh?
What fear bite?
You know, I was saying.
See
Bus engine down and park much money behind.
God no?
Bus engine much money now. Bus engine much money now.
Like a big hole in the bottom right? Yeah.
Come down. Crack those up.
With the money man. So I can't get the engine.
And deer out of here. 250 and 2 bills.
No, I do my price man. Some different price for engine. So when I my boy want me deep that the cast a son, they look for your engine see away. But some 9 bills, that's how much? 900 bills. 8 bills, 7 bills.
7 bills. You have to call him, man.
But I fall back out there, just one food me get fair.
You're right,
No, I don't feed it. But I tried it brother last night, the dark up. I don't come out on this night. I don't light on it.
no, I say I can't come.
This how tight is it?
Right there.
Dog gone.
You know, eh?
I'm gone. Dog, they're on the road right now.
You see them see now along the
Dog, they're on the road, man.
kind of ball.
No, we have to go check. I don't play ball, so I really I have to look to ask him.
Ask him if you not kind of ball.
But I don't play ball out there, pretty feel.
Yeah, you know no ball.
But I don't play ball like.
And they love football, no say no care ball. You know second yet, man, make you no sleep now.
What?
Man, him not play ball.
What?
No ball, I don't see man him
Yeah,
play
say
from
if you
there.
care one ball, I just have boom it 2 times. So like a jump set in that.
You ready, mama? Come on, we chop you out. I'm soon forward though.
Ah,
Good boy, say.
boy, no.